Are you tired of grinding on a 9 to 5 and looking for a way to generate passive income? Imagine running a YouTube channel without ever appearing on camera. This is called YouTube automation, and I'm going to show you how to make it work for you. What's going on? I'm Markus Naves, and 6 years ago I was struggling to keep the lights on and provide for my family after losing my job. I was desperate to find a way out. Fast forward to today, I'm building a business that allows me to work from home and live life on my terms. YouTube automation has been a game changer, and in this video, we'll break down exactly what it is, how it works, and why it could be the solution you've been searching for. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation means outsourcing most of the work needed to create videos, such as script writing, crafting engaging stories or informational pieces. Voiceovers, adding professional narration without your voice. Video editing, creating polished, high-quality videos. And thumbnails, designing eye-catching visuals to grab attention. It's often referred to as faceless YouTube because you don't need to be on camera. Think of it like running a business where you're the CEO, delegating tasks to your team while focusing on strategy and growth. When I first heard about YouTube automation, I was skeptical. It sounded too good to be true. I thought, how can I run a channel without creating videos myself? But as I started to learn, I realized it was less about being a YouTuber and more about being a business owner. I discovered tools, strategies, and the power of leveraging a team to make it work. Why is this so powerful? It's scalable and hands-off. Once systems are in place, it's possible to run multiple channels, monetization opportunities, earn from ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and more. Evergreen content. Videos can generate income from years after being uploaded. Here are some actionable steps that help you get started today. Number 1, pick a niche you're interested in and passionate about. I'll have more on this in the next video. Number 2, you want to research channels in your niche to see what's working and what audiences love. Number 3, write down tasks that you're comfortable doing and identify tasks you'll outsource. Now that you understand the basics of YouTube automation, it's time to learn how to choose the perfect niche. Click on the next video where I'll walk you through finding a profitable niche that fits your goals. And hey, if you're finding this valuable, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit that notification icon so you don't miss any of these tips. Remember, it's time to be the reason for your own success. I'll see you on the next one.